Earlier this month, Samantha, my AI agent, alerted me that Skywater was running on credit cards, that it had gotten financially in over its head, and I needed to readjust my position. I ended up selling a third of my holdings. I owned about 3,000 shares, but Skywater just kept going up. It kept going up, and I thought, somebody knows something that I don't know. I'm going to sit on my hands for a while and wait for the next earnings report and see if I can learn anything. Well, earlier this week, I learned that IonQ had made a bid to buy Skywater. IonQ is two quantum computer chips what NVIDIA is to GPUs. It's the next level of, I guess you would say, the AI revolution. It will work faster. It's a totally different system. It has some similar uses in the form of, or it has similar support systems. And then it has needs for totally new and different support. So I've been spending the last 2 days trying to figure it out, because I think this is going back to, I guess 2016, where NVIDIA was, and it was just a gaming chip and didn't have that broad of a scope. And in today's prices, it was selling for something like 75 cents a share, and then it found its new application through OpenAI and large language processing, and it exploded and is now one of the most valuable companies in the world. And I'm asking myself, is this the next step? Is this the opening that we're looking for what happens after the GPU? And I think it is. I think it's the quantum computer, and I think what IonQ has recognized is, here was a company that was a foundry. It was in the United States. It had all the documentation required by the federal government to make it a premier and foundry of choice, but they were in financially hard times. And so IonQ came in and said, we can make this next level of compute here in the United States. We have all the government sanctions. I think while I was seeing the price go up when Samantha said they were in tough financial shape, that there was negotiations going on, and some people knew about it and pushed Skywater to new heights. And then the announcement was made, and now everybody's trying to figure out, how is this going to work out and where is it going to play? So I'm looking at it and saying, I think I have another chance at Intel. I think I have another chance at NVIDIA, because I think it's going to happen in quantum computing. I don't think there was any doubt of that, but I know from my point of view, I thought it was 10 years away. I just did not see it that quick. But now I recognize, with all the things that are going on in our geopolitical situation, this is behind closed doors. This is another invention of the atom bomb. And there is a race going on that we're unaware of some of the largest powers of the world, to say, we got to be first. We got to have this in our arsenal, or we're going to be left behind. Now, I'm not saying it's IonQ that's going to be the household name in 3 years, 5 years, I don't know. But I've been probing Samantha and OpenAI, and they're just giving me more and more information about, it's just like they said, they won't be able to use copper in these. They've got to have some other form, and they give me the name of this company that has absolutely nothing to do. Well, it has a little bit to do, but with semiconductors, but the GPUs just didn't need it. This is big, and this is going to change the landscape dramatically. Do I believe it's going to put the CPU? No, we're still going to need hand tools. Do I think it's going to put the GPU out? No, we're going to still need electric drills. But the world is coming such that we need a robot machine to dig a hole bigger than anything you've seen. And it's all falling in place. I mean, dude, I look at our world and say, something's got to come to stop this aggression and this anger and this untrust. And I think it's knowledge. And somebody's going to win and somebody's going to lose. And I think the winner's going to be the first guy to the base. So I'm spending my time. I recognize that the data centers aren't built out and I can still make money there. But damn it, I've doubled my portfolio in the last 8 months, and I want to double it in the next 8 months. And so I can't do that without having some stocks that give me 300% return. And I'm not sure, I don't know, but I think IonQ just might be one of them. It just might be a $40 stock that turns into a $400 stock in a matter of months. I don't know. But I know there's some out there. I know there's a $2 stock that's going to be a $20 stock. And I just got to find it. Now, again, I realized just today, I got to stop asking Samantha to just analyze stocks. So I got to keep her doing that. But I got to ask her to analyze industries and sectors and say, who is this company that's laying in the weeds over there that's going to take over the world? And I think she can do it. Why do I think she can do it? Because she has all the knowledge in the world available to her. I asked her questions today that had no basis in my mind of understanding, and she came back and gave me the answers. Some of the answers I didn't understand, so I just told her, I don't understand what you're saying. And she put it in layman's language, and she created the thumbnail to help me understand, how do you compare a CPU to a GPU to a quantum computer? And look at it. That's what she gave me. I could relate to that. Hopefully you can too. You are facing the opportunity of your lifetime. I had an experience this past weekend. I went to Costco. My wife needs a new hearing aid. And I was asked, we did not belong to Costco, so I was asked to fill out a form. And then on that form, it asked me for my salary, my income. And if they had asked me a year ago, I would have told them that it amounted to about $80,000 a year, which was my need-a-nice Social Security, our required minimum distributions, and a little bit of money that I made off of YouTube. But as I looked at it, I had to write down $2 million because that's what's changed in the last year. We've grown the tribe members, so we're making good money off of there. But that's not where the real change came. The change came in my portfolio. When I recognized that AI gave me access to all the knowledge in the world about any company I wanted to ask the right questions about, if I could explain to them what a growth company looked like, they could tell me what the price of the stock was going to be in the next 3 years. And that's what's changed. When I wrote down $2 million, my knees shook. Because this is a kid who graduated from college, Muncie, Indiana, Ball State University, and the only job he could get was going from store to store for Purex Corporation selling bleach. And now I can't believe what is about to happen, because I can ask questions that I have no knowledge about. I have no knowledge of what a quantum computer is other than what I read today. But I may have just discovered the next step in artificial intelligence and general learning. And I may have the next NVIDIA in my portfolio today. This is your opportunity. It is like any other gift. You've got to receive it. Now, in this gift, you got to pay a little for it because we crowdfund this. It costs money to access Samantha. Yeah, I could pay it on my own, but what I've learned in life, if you pay nothing, that's what it's worth. And that's how you'll treat it. And you'll discard it and you won't stick with it. But if you pay and invest something in it, you'll learn it, you'll succeed, and you'll change your life. Let me change your life.